Guess who's 4 months old today? Yeah, this cutie pie. Say good morning. Show us your good morning smiles. Show us your smiles. Show us your good morning smiles. Where are they? Nolly. Hi. Good morning. Molly. Molly. Hey. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi. Where are your smiles? Where are your smiles? There we go. Are you working on something? Yeah, I'm 4 months old. I like to chew on my hands. And watch mommy and my kitties and puppies and daddy. What else do you do? Oh, funny face. Funny face. I'm starting to grab at toys. I can almost roll over. I did it once. Right? You can lift your whole chest up off the floor when you lay on your tummy. Oh, you are working on something. That's nice for the video. That's nice for the video. Let's see, you also coo a lot. You make noises at mommy and daddy. Right? You love bath time. Yeah, you love bath time, don't you? There's that smile I'm looking for. There it is. There it is. Can we see it again? Can we see that smile again? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, big stretches. Oh my. Big yawn. She also likes to kick a lot. Alright, show us how you kick. She's in her sleep sack still, but kick, kick, kick. Happy 4 months, Molly. We'll have to get she's about 22 inches, probably just over 11 pounds. I just weighed her last week. My little peanut, still wearing all 0 to 3 month clothes. Yeah, my little peanut, mommy's little peanut. Can we get one more smile for the camera? One more smile. Can we get one more? Let me see those smiles. Let me see those smiles. Where's the smile? Where is it? Oh, don't be sad. There's a smile. Oh! Oh my! Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. My cutie pie. Now you're lots of smiles. You keep blocking them with your hand, though. There we go. Yeah. Who's the cutie? Who's the cutie? You are. You're the cutie. Yes, you are. I love that tongue. You guys stick out your tongue every time you smile, huh? Huh? Yeah. You're so cute.